Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable a really useful privacy feature on your iPhone that helps you avoid seeing unexpected sensitive content. This feature is available on iOS 18 and later, so let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down again until you see Sensitive Content Warning and tap on it. Here, you'll see a switch next to Sensitive Content Warning. Simply toggle this switch on. Once enabled, your iPhone will now provide you with a warning before you view potentially sensitive photos and videos in apps like AirDrop, Contacts, Messages, and Video Messages. You also have the option to help Apple improve this feature by turning on Improve Sensitive Content Warning under Analytics and Improvements. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just come back to this screen and toggle the Sensitive Content Warning switch off. And that's all there is to it. Enabling the Sensitive Content Warning feature on your iPhone is a simple yet effective way to enhance your digital well-being and privacy. It gives you more control over the content you see and helps create a safer experience. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and stay safe.